Hi everyone, I'm Bonnie.
And I'm Jenna, and we're both here in our virtual CSPN space to remind you to sign up and register for our upcoming Women in Leadership Summit happening in November.
That's correct, Jenna. Our event's going to have so many speakers. We're going to have keynote speakers, networking workshops, and not to mention our always amazing award ceremony.
And this year will be a virtual event, and although we are missing the in-person factor, CSPN is bringing the engagement to you. We're going to have a photo booth, which will be done online, so get ready with those poses.
That's right, Jenna. We're so excited for this event, and we cannot wait to see you there.